Vertical gardening. Grow up, not out. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and eco-friendly way to garden called vertical gardening. This innovative approach is perfect for those who may not have a lot of horizontal space but still dream of growing their own plants. Let's explore what vertical gardening is, its benefits, and how you can start one yourself. So, if you're ready to turn your gardening dreams into reality, let's get started. Vertical gardening is a technique where plants are grown upwards on a vertical structure, rather than spreading out over the ground. This can be done using trellises, wall-mounted planters, towers, or even recycled materials like pallets and hanging baskets. The idea is to make the most out of limited space by growing plants vertically. This method is not only practical for small gardens and balconies but also adds a beautiful green element to urban environments. One of the biggest advantages of vertical gardening is its space efficiency. It's an ideal solution for city dwellers or those with limited garden space. But the benefits don't stop there. Increases plant health. Growing plants vertically can improve air circulation and reduce the risk of soil-borne diseases. Ease of access. Vertical gardens can be easier to maintain, as they can be more accessible for watering, pruning, and harvesting. Aesthetic appeal. They can transform a dull wall or balcony into a stunning green space, enhancing the overall beauty of your home or community area. Environmental impact. Vertical gardens can contribute to air purification, cooling in urban areas, and even support biodiversity by providing habitats for pollinators. Starting a vertical garden may seem daunting, but it's quite simple once you break it down into steps. 1. Choose the right location. Look for a spot that gets adequate sunlight based on the plants you want to grow. 2. Select your structure. Decide whether you're going to use wall planters, trellises, or something else. Ensure it's strong enough to support the weight of the plants. 3. Pick your plants. Some plants are better suited for vertical gardening than others. Herbs, succulents, and many vegetables like tomatoes and beans thrive in vertical spaces. 4. Consider watering needs. Make sure your vertical garden is easily waterable. Some setups might benefit from a drip irrigation system for efficiency. 5. Soil and fertilizer. Use high-quality potting soil and consider the nutritional needs of your plants. Regular fertilization may be necessary. We hope this guide inspires you to start your own vertical garden, no matter the size of your space. Vertical gardening is not just about growing plants. It's about innovation, beauty, and making the most of what you have. Whether you're an experienced gardener or a beginner, vertical gardening offers endless possibilities to explore. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing your vertical garden projects come to life. Happy gardening! Remember, the sky's the limit when you're gardening upwards. See you in the next video.